All right, if we look at this, we are going asked to order following numbers in order from least to greatest. So if I look at this, we have the square root of 5 as our first number. If I plug square root of 5 into my calculator, I get the square root of 5 is approximately 2.23. So it's going to be roughly 2.235. 2.36, sorry. Now if we do the same thing with the negative square root of 4, we have negative, and then the square root of 16, which is 4. The square root of 1 is 1. We have 814. I don't need to do anything with that one. We have 2.636461, so I don't need to do anything with that one. 0.273, I don't need to do anything. 9.66, and then pi. Pi is approximately 3.14. So if we look at this, we are going to order these from least to greatest. Obviously, we look at a lot of these numbers, and most of them are just single-digit numbers. However, I do see this 814, and that is very different and much bigger than all the other ones. So I can assume that is the biggest number. So I'm done with that one. The next thing I see, I have 2.236. I have -4, 1, 2.636461. If I look at that, I have 9.6, 3.14, and 0.273. I like to put them in order like this and look at the first number they all have. So if I look at this, there's only one number that's negative. So -4 is the only one that's negative. So that's going to be our smallest number automatically. So I can cross that one out. I erase it from here. The next number that's the smallest, I have a couple decimals here. I have 0.273. And that is the smallest decimal. 0 is smaller than 1, 2, 3, 2, and 9. So that's going to be my next number. Now, if I look at it, the original problem has a repeating symbol, so I have to make sure I put that there. And make sure I put the repeating symbol above it. I'm done with that one, so I'm going to erase it from my list. We're now going to get into the numbers that are bigger than 0.27. If I look at this list here, the smallest number that I have here is 1, so I'm going to put 1 for my next one and erase it. We next have two numbers that are pretty similar. We have 2.236 and we have 2.63. So if I look at it, they both have a 2. However, if we look at the next number, we have a 2.2 and a 2.6. A 2.2 is smaller, so that's going to be my next number. Now, I did approximate that number. If we look here, it originally was the square root of 5, so I'm going to put that one at the next spot. We're done with that, so I can erase it. And now we have the next 2-point number, which is 2.67. If I look over here, that's what it actually was. So I gotta squeeze this in here. Okay, erase that from my list. I have two numbers left over. We have pi, which is approximately 3.14, and we have 9.66. Pi is 3 and 9 is 9, 3 is smaller, so we're going to put pi next, and then we're going to do 9.66. 9.66 was the original answer, so I don't need to convert it back to the original problem. And that is how we are going to be ordering numbers from least to greatest. Be careful. Sometimes they might ask you to do it from greatest to least, but always read the directions. And have a great day. What's up, bro?
Realized I didn't make the. Oh, I made a mistake on that entry, but I still haven't heard from her. Well, 'cause I don't know, like, there's still more I don't know. But I had a feeling I did something.